suckers. Should you cut them or should you leave them? It ain't always simple, so grab your gloves and let's grow! Alright, y'all. You see this little tiny sucker right here? They grow between the main stem and also the little tiny leaf branch. That right there is called a sucker. Some people cut these off so the plant doesn't get this bushy. But is that always a good idea? Let's break it down. If you cut them, the plant stays tidy. It will also let air flow in, which prevents disease. And also, some people think that it will give you more tomatoes. And it's easier to pick the tomatoes. But if you cut too many, you'll lose some fruit. That's right, it could be a vine that has fruits and everything. This used to be a sucker. We left him whenever we first planted it, and now we have 31 tomatoes. And this one, we cut all the suckers off of it, and we only have 14. And with indeterminate tomatoes, they'll keep growing all season.
Boys, back in my day.
Even that has its own opinion. Everybody got their own way. Sometimes we let suckers grow, that way we can replace our old and sick plants. I'll show you. If we take these suckers and we put them off, but if we don't, we might have missed them, or we just cut them off and we put them in a bucket of rainwater. We use rainwater instead of tap water because rainwater is full of nitrogen. You can tell that because all of this algae. So all we do is put a sucker in some water and leave it in there for a couple of weeks. And there it is. Some roots are gonna grow, then we can put it into the ground and then we can have some more tomatoes. And it's gonna look just like this one. This is ready to be planted in the ground and replace one of our sick plants. That's today's video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some out of it. Remember, like and subscribe, hit the bell. Garden Brothers out!